The United Kingdom is made up of 4 countries: England, Scotland, Wales, and Northern Ireland. London, the capital of England, is the largest city in the UK and one of the most populous cities in the world. The official language of the UK is English, but there are several recognized regional languages, including Welsh, Scots Gaelic, and Irish. The UK has a constitutional monarchy, with King Charles III as the current monarch as of October 2023. The British flag, known as the Union Jack, combines the flags of England, Scotland, and Northern Ireland. The iconic Big Ben is actually the name of the clock bell, not the clock tower. The tower is called the Elizabeth Tower. The British Museum in London is one of the world's oldest and largest museums, housing over 8 million works. The UK is famous for its contributions to literature, with renowned authors like William Shakespeare, Jane Austen, and Charles Dickens. The first modern Olympics were held in Athens in 1896, but the UK hosted the Olympics 3 times, in 1908, 1948, and 2012. The famous Stonehenge is 5,000 years old and its purpose remains a mystery to this day. Britain's national flower is the rose. Beer is a popular beverage in the UK, and there are over 1,500 breweries across the country. The UK's population is around 67 million people as of 2023. The UK has some of the oldest universities in the world, including the University of Oxford, founded in the 12th century. A traditional British breakfast often includes bacon, eggs, sausage, baked beans, and toast. The Queen's English is a term used to describe the accent and speech patterns of upper-class British English speakers. The UK has an extensive public transportation system, including buses, trains, and the London Underground, known as the Tube. The Tower of London, a historic castle, has served many purposes, including a royal palace, prison, and treasury. The English Channel separates the UK from mainland Europe and is the shortest crossing between the two at about 21 miles. Britain's Isle of Wight is famous for its picturesque coastline and the annual music festival that takes place there. The Beatles, one of the most famous music bands in history, originated in Liverpool. The UK has a rich history of monarchs, from the infamous King Henry VIII to the current royal family. Tea is a central part of British culture, with afternoon tea being a popular tradition. The UK is home to the world's first industrial city, Manchester, which played a key role in the Industrial Revolution. The Scottish Highlands are known for their stunning landscapes, including mountains, lochs, and castles. The UK has several World Heritage Sites, including the Tower of London, Bath, and the Giant's Causeway in Northern Ireland. The famous London Eye, a giant Ferris wheel, offers panoramic views of the city and is one of the most popular tourist attractions. The UK has a diverse range of wildlife, including the red squirrel, otter, and various migratory birds. Shakespeare's Globe Theatre, a reconstruction of the original, showcases many of his works in an authentic setting. The NHS, National Health Service, provides healthcare to residents of the UK, funded by taxation. The UK is known for its countryside, with picturesque villages, rolling hills, and national parks like the Lake District. The BBC, British Broadcasting Corporation, founded in 1922, is one of the oldest national broadcasting organizations in the world. Scotland is home to the Loch Ness Monster, a legendary creature said to inhabit Loch Ness. The White Cliffs of Dover are a famous landmark and a symbol of Britain, rising majestically from the sea. The Great Fire of London in 1666 destroyed much of the city, leading to significant changes in building regulations. The traditional sport of cricket originated in England in the 16th century and is now played worldwide. The UK's economy is the sixth largest in the world, heavily influenced by its financial sector in London. The royal family participates in numerous official engagements, and the changing of the guard at Buckingham Palace is a popular event. The UK has a coastline of approximately 19,491 miles, featuring beautiful beaches and rugged cliffs. The famous red double-decker buses are iconic symbols of London's public transport system. Each year, millions of tourists visit the historic city of Bath, known for its Roman baths and Georgian architecture. England's Lake District is the largest national park in England and is famous for its scenic lakes and mountains. The UK's official national dish is considered to be fish and chips. The London Underground is the oldest underground railway system in the world, opened in 1863.